Hello friends, if you're experiencing issues with WhatsApp messages not being delivered on your device, here's a guide to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. The first way is to ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. The second way is to restart WhatsApp by closing the app completely by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Then you close the app. Then you reopen the WhatsApp and try sending the message again. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various issues. So you can also restart your iPhone by simultaneously holding down the power button and one of the volume buttons together until the slide to power off sliders appear. You slide to power off at the top of the screen, then you wait a few seconds. Then you turn the phone back on by pressing the power button again. The third way is to make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed from the App Store or your Play Store. If none of these steps work, you can reach out to WhatsApp support for further assistance. They may be able to provide more specific troubleshooting steps for your issue. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video tips. Bye and see you in the next video.